Okay, we're looking at a TRAK TRL 1440p, serial number 98-4140, new in 1998. You have a LX2 control. It's original paint, by the way. You have a 5C lever type tile closer. That is your remote go switch, your tool post, your blaze. You have a 3-jaw chuck and a steady rest. And we're gonna run her a little bit. Is using the remote, not remote, but just the jog handle. Yep. Rolling it back. You can see the ways there are not scored. They are hard in the ground bed. Again, the ways are in all in nice shape. Using the that's actually not a hand wheel, but a digital electronic hand wheel. You see that working, and again the other axes. I'm going to show that on the screen as well. Yeah, and yeah, very nice. Okay, running the spindle. You have from 35 to 2400 RPM. We're going to shift to higher speed. That's the higher range. So you're in 3A, therefore you're at 1020.
Spindle reverse.
Spindle reverse. Okay. Tail stock quill. Very good. But do me a favor, just bring it into another, like a B or a C. There you go. Okay, so that's a B.
That is a B.
So that B2. So that's 1650. Okay. The last one would be a C, but let's bring it to. Yeah, that's a C. Bring it to a low. There you go. That's A.
Interesting.
Yeah, no, that's fine. But so it's an A. That's A, and that's what?
A1.
A1. So that's 35 RPM. Okay. Okay. So you might as well go. So we've done A, B, and C already. We've done A, B, and C, and we did 1, 2, and 3. So therefore, you've seen that all the gears are okay. Again, that's your tool post. I will walk around the back. That's your. That was your one-shot lube. There's your serial number tag. Thank you for watching the video.